be afraid or have condemnation. I look at bookkeepers and accountants as financial doctors.
Welcome, my blessed people. Welcome back to my channel. It is an honor and a blessing to be in your presence today. It is your girl Malaysia Jordan, and today I have a vlog for you guys, an entrepreneur vlog. So right now I just pulled up to my location. I am doing a workshop this morning. I am a bookkeeper by trade. I do a lot of other things, but my main business is bookkeeping. So today I've been invited to come to this Christian entrepreneur group called the Seven Kingdom Alliance. And I'll be giving them a workshop about what bookkeeping is, why is it important. I'll be talking over like how to create their own bookkeeping systems and so on and so forth. I'm hoping to generate some leads from this. If not, I'm just glad to share my ministry with anybody. I personally look at my business like a ministry. Some of us wasn't called to the pulpit, but some of us were called to the marketplace. So that is me. I've been called to the marketplace. I feel so blessed to be called to the marketplace. But today I just want to take you guys with me and show you how I do a workshop. The rest of my day will be mostly just when I get back home, will be just working. So nothing fun there. But I do want to take you guys and show you how I do this workshop. I do have everything all set already in my car, packed up. I have my bag, that has my computer in it with my presentation, my little jacket over there. I got my heels back there, and I also have the cord. They're going to be providing me with a TV today, so that's a blessing, and I'm excited. I'm not as nervous as I used to be when I first started to do these workshops, but you know, of course you have your little jitters, but I'm just excited, you know. So I'm going to say a quick prayer before I go in and get ready to set up. Heavenly Father, I just want to thank you for the opportunity to share my ministry with these blessed people or your children, dear Heavenly
It's this stuff right here. Yep. It's this stuff that kind of choke away, where they just didn't really say, this is right here is just as important. Because if I don't have this, I won't have that. And when you think of major companies, you have to remember it's always the stuff you can't see. What makes them be.
I want to always say this in relation to this, and you've heard me say it before. Don't be afraid or have condemnation. I look at bookkeepers and accountants as financial doctors, and that's what they do. So they've seen any and everything, you know. And I came from that background, and we've seen any and everything, and it's the same as going to the doctor. You know, they've seen small things and they've seen big things that can take a person out. So when you go, they have this understanding that that's not your expertise. The same way as we go to a doctor, we didn't go to medical school.
It's like what you said, you didn't get in the business to be a bookkeeper. You gave in the business because you have a passion for whatever your business is.
Yeah, and so we know the basis of how to take care of it.
All right, everybody, so that is the end of this vlog. That was such a great workshop. I had absolutely such a great time speaking to this ministry today, you guys. I absolutely love what I do, and like I said, I see myself as a ministry because I truly save lives and I truly give somebody they can trust. And when people have somebody they can trust, they can really see God's glory through me. And it's just always a blessing to be able to share as much as I can. I really try to fill and jam pack these workshops with so much information with as much as I can give them. And I always like to send them home with like some type of paperwork so that they can be able to either remember me or not just remember me, but also really have something of substance. Whenever somebody works with you or comes to one of your workshops, you always want to make sure they leave learning something. And that's all I care about. So that's the end of this vlog. I will see you guys next in my next day of the life. See ya.